Hello everybody, just a quick video. Today Liara Studio just launched their Spring limited time mega discounted Unreal Engine bundle. Here you can find 40 plus packs inside this bundle and it is available for Unreal, Unity and Godot. So right now this pack is stacked with 5.4k of assets and right now it is just $100. Let me show you what's inside. You can find very detailed village Viking environment, Ashes of Bazaar. You can find a sci-fi spaceship hangar, and there's a lot of things here stacked up, and the production quality of those assets are very good. So let's open this wrecked ship, and you can see the details here under this asset. Pretty good. And the idea here of getting this bundle is to have everything from this asset bundle inside your library for later on when you start a new project and you want, for example, to create a lakeside village house. Let's just show this one. This one is also super detailed. You can see here this bundle also includes a lot of interior assets. You can see chairs, tables, different pottery. You can see lanterns, shades, and a lot of different assets. All those assets are created modular, so you can create different kind of houses, different kind of environments, as you can see here. So there's a lot of things stacked up in this bundle. So this is one very good deal for the spring if you need assets for your projects or for your future projects. And I can give you a 30% discount. What you need to do is click I want this, then go all the way down and put in the discount code CG30, click apply, and you're gonna have a $30 discount of this offer. So if you need new assets to fill up your library or anything from this bundle that could be useful right now for your project, don't hesitate, go and purchase it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Soon I will upload a new video about my upcoming CG Viewers Academy, which will be very exciting to everybody.